Good Sunday, everyone. I hope your weekend's going well and that you're enjoying all this sunshine. Looking at our daily weather map for today, we see that we're going to have lots of sunshine in store for us again today. Like yesterday, we could have those high, thin clouds moving across the sky from time to time. Those will not produce any precipitation today. There will be precipitation falling from the sky across portions of the northeast, especially around New England, and then farther to the west, we see some heavier precipitation threatening portions of Kansas, eastern Kansas, western Iowa, up into southern Minnesota. This is one of our first severe weather threats of the fall season, especially for that neck of the woods. And then to the west of there, we'll be seeing heavy snowfall across portions of Montana and even down onto portions of others of the Rockies. Lots of snowflakes flying across the northern Rockies today. So certainly the change of seasons is definitely evident on this weather map, with severe thunderstorms across portions of the plains and then snow on the back side of that system. And we'll be tracking that system as it moves our way. We don't have anything to worry about with precipitation for today or tomorrow. Highs around 70, plenty of sunshine, and again, high thin clouds moving through from time to time. Overnight lows will be mild for this time of the year as well. And then Monday to Monday night, the winds will start increasing from the south. And those will become quite gusty, it looks like, as we go into the night Monday. And so some of the wind gusts could even top 30 miles an hour or so. So a very breezy night. And then Tuesday looks to be a very windy day. Again, wind gusts to 30 miles an hour, as it looks right now, are possible from the south, as a very dynamic, very powerful storm system develops across the southern plains and then ejects to the northeast. Now that will drag a cold front through here Tuesday night. And there is the possibility for a strong storm or two, and there is a severe weather threat for the lower Mississippi River Valley, but that does not look to make it this far east. We have a lot of dry air in place. We have a high area of high pressure that will be to our northeast that will more than likely be holding back that system and keeping it from being as potent as it would otherwise be when it blows through here. So it'll fire up and be rather potent across the southern Mississippi River Valley, but then as that line moves eastward, it should weaken with time, bringing us a damaging wind threat, I'm sure. We'll have a couple of gusts that could be strong, but again, I will keep an eye on that, make sure that all that holds true, and that we stay in good shape for that. But I'll keep an eye on that for you. By Wednesday, everything's clearing out. Clouds hang around. Highs only in the mid to upper 50s. And by Thursday, we're back to sunny skies and highs in the mid 60s. This is rainfall over the next 7 days, and as you can see, plenty of rainfall for portions of the southern plains from this storm system coming this week. But as it moves eastward, it will more than likely dry up and weaken and probably keep us safe from severe thunderstorms. But we sure could use the rain. But we'll do without the rain to dodge those severe thunderstorms, right? On this day in 1963, we were having a warm spell. Crossville hit 79 degrees, and that was the fourth day in a row of record high temperatures. So 1963 was the October to be here if you like that warm weather. And in the year 1091, a tornado struck the heart of London, and it could have been as powerful as an F4, which is absolutely crazy, especially for that area. 2 people lost their lives, and the wooden London Bridge was destroyed. So what a historic day for that city as far as the weather goes. For those of you who didn't know London had tornadoes, they certainly do. And sounds like they can have some pretty powerful ones. Well, you folks have a wonderful day and keep looking at. For even more weather information, just keep reading along that blog, meteorologistmark.com.